Hello guys, Cristiano here. I am a C programmer, learning all those things that I can. Hit the subscribe button, let a comment, that'll help so much the channel. All my videos, you'll be in a fast mode with explanation. I'll reduce the time to be more precise. And we will face a lot of mistakes and debugs. Everything's calculated, or not. So don't be afraid. The link for all the source codes will be in the description. If you wanna follow, just get your copy. In this video, you will bring Redis to SAT. In some projects, it's necessary to use it to cache for frequently accessible information. To make the libSAT ready for this type of situations, you are adding Redis to our toolkit. We start by creating the files. We created the option to enable Redis, and we add the rules for its compilation. We create the file that specifies which file should be included, as well the Redis library. In the header, we include the necessary files. We create the context, which is only the handle, and the arguments that allows configure the IP and the port where the server is located. To handle the returns, we create a callback to perform the reads. We created 5 functions: init, open, save, get, and close. Especially focus on save and get, which are where we save and retrieve the data. In the source file, we include the headers and the functions for their implementation. We implement init based on sat log init, making the necessary adjustments. Next is the close, which is basically the same but frees the context. In the open, we make some adjustments, test the IP, and based on the host and the port, we attempt to connect to the server. If the connection is successful, we return true. In save, we test if the key and the value are not null. We format the command with sat, receiving the 2 strings. This sends it to the server and frees the resource. In get, we test if the callback and the data are valid. We format the command with get and pass it to the user callback. We also free the resource. With this, the implementation is complete. Now the tests. We create the test file and the test rules. Redis needs a container to provide the service, so we provide a Docker Compose YAML file. We add the test to build script. In the test, we include the headers, we create our object and implement the callback. We start the container and configure Redis. We persist the name John Doe with a key name. Right after, we retrieve it with the key, filling the structure through the callback. We close the connection. We enable SAT Redis and compile. There are some verification issues. We compile again. I see that a header and the semicolon were missing. compile and test, and it fails. Now it passes. Here we have the same problem, like it happened in MySQL. The container is up, but isn't running yet. So it will be a video where I will implement the retries to fix that problem. So another tool in our toolbox. Now we can cache requests that don't change much through the day. That's all for now. I appreciate it if you get here. Don't you forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment and share. Knowledge is not enough. Waiting for more. Bye. See you soon.